Sister wives, Janelle's son chilling behavior sparks debate. And Mary Brown gets ready to unpack in Arizona. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel. Sister wives, star Janelle Brown's son's recent chilling behavior caught the eye of some fans, who continue to debate what they see online today from the now defunct polygamous family from this TLC series. Sister wives, Janelle Brown and daring son. Janelle Brown is now a mom whose kids are all grown up. But for fans, it seems like it was only yesterday her youngest, Savannah Brown, was coloring at the kitchen table. But the latest post to catch the eyes of her sister, wives fans has nothing to do with a coloring book or Savannah, for that matter. No, it has to do with her 27-year-old son, Hunter Brown. He is the third child of Janelle and the sixth offspring of Cody Brown. Fans see Janelle kids as a polite brood while saying what is on their minds. Usually, Hunter is not seen by fans as craving the limelight. But his newest social media posts left plenty of room for the sister wives, fans to have their say over what they see. Hunter Brown has Janelle back. While we might not see too much of this son on Sister Wives, he is very protective of Janelle in real life. During the services for his brother, Garrison Brown, the photos indicated that he didn't leave his mom's side. He stood behind her during some of the more emotional parts of that service. Janelle kids are wonderful to their mom. This was seen during the tragic event that rocked the Sister Wives family. But the son's protective behavior with his mom stood out for the fans. This son also has a terrific sense of humor, which brings us to a recent post on social media. Talk about a chill. Sister wives, Hunter Brown offers bone-chilling photo. Janelle Brown gets a kick out of her kids, and their sense of humor brought many a smile to their mom face in the past. But in a recent post, Hunter's sense of humor not only gave the audience a shiver, he likely shivering himself. Janelle Brown's son sits in a freezer full of ice water and ice cubes. Check it out with the screenshot below. In the clip, the top of the freezer opens, and out he pops. But the debate from critics goes beyond the temperature of his ice bath. Believe it or not, some Sister Wives fans were taken aback by the amount of skin Janelle's son showed in this photo. Of course, the complaints were bombarded by people who saw nothing wrong with this clip. Others suggested this was a fun activity, and this family could use a few smiles on the heels of their recent tragedy. So that smile on Hunter's face was a welcome sight for Sister Wives fans, and likely Janelle as well. Many suggested you would see more skin on a beach with bathing suit-clad sunbathers. He probably wore a bathing suit, or maybe even a pair of shorts, under all those floating ice cubes. But a few fans pointed out that even if he went in with his birthday suit on, he never once showed anything inappropriate for general audiences. So, Janelle Brown's son, Hunter Brown, managed to give the Sister Wives fans a chill. But a little jolt is always good between seasons of this TLC series. Sister Wives star Mary Brown just laid to rest all the rumors that she not making the move to Flagstaff, Arizona. Back in September, when TLC spoke to Cody Brown, Christine, and Robin in an interview about the move, Mary Brown was conspicuously absent. That may be why the rumors arose. However, Mary is excited and looking forward to unpacking in Arizona. Sister Wives Mary Brown previously mentioned looking forward to the mountains. Mary Brown already posted how she looking forward to the beauty of the mountains. Actually, that came on an Instagram post about her starting a new painting project. Incidentally, she is also listed as a property owner with Cody in Flagstaff. Therefore, the rumors seem off the mark. Mary recently visited Mariah and Audrey in Chicago, where she had a good time riding the tilt on the 360 Chicago observation deck. Back then, some fans speculated that she was not going to Flagstaff. Mary Brown, from TCL Sister Wives, has been keeping herself busy since then with packing. She posted a photo on Instagram showing her sitting in front of heaps of boxes. Looking beautiful, as is usual these days, the photo caption mentioned the move. She wrote, taking a break after the final part of the move. Hyped to start the unpacking process. Comfy oversized #LuLaRoy Patrick for this job. So, fans of Sister Wives can probably relax a bit. Commenting on the post, one fan of Sister Wives asked Mary, "Are you all together again, or in separate houses?" Radar Online reported on that, noting that the Brown family purchased property in Flagstaff. Each of the wives has a plot, and Mary land is 4.48 acres in size. It's registered under Cody and Mary, and valued at $180,000. Presumably, it takes time to get land developed. Other followers asked Mary if she was going to be a part of Sister Wives still. User Jolyn Sexton 1 answered the question, saying at Twitter, yes, she is. It certainly seems some people lost a bit in all the confusion between the move and Mary trying to get her life back together after the awful catfish incident. Some fans asked why they were moving to Flagstaff, others asked where they were moving to. Here is the answer to those fans. The family moved to Flagstaff, and the next season should show some of that. Mary very popular on the show, people admire her positive attitude these days. Instead of moping around, she took up painting, slimmed down, and looks stunning. She also projects the positivity in her Instagram posts with her hashtags like Living My Way, Because I Can, and Love What I Do. Certainly, if Mary keeps up with her creativity and positivity, there's a chance for her happiness again. One fan, Danger Roberts, summed it up for Mary followers. New adventure, I am sure y'all will have lots of fun. Are you one of the fans who wish her a great future? Are you looking forward to a new season showing us all the new events in Mary Brown life? Sister Wives star Janelle Brown celebrated her son Gabriel Brown turning 17 years old. She posted up the same photo from October 11, 2017, that she used to honor his 16th birthday because it's her favorite. He grown up into a good-looking young man. As fans of the show know, he the brother of Logan, Hunter, Garrison Brown, Madhibrush and Savannah. Gabriel looks very much like a young version of his dad, Cody Brown. Sister Wives' mom sends a touching message to Gabriel Brown. Janelle Brown captioned her Gabriel Brown post on October 11, 2018, with a touching message to her child Gabriel. She posted in the caption, "This picture is a year old but still one of my favorites. Happy 17th birthday, Gabriel. You are an amazing young man, demonstrating emotional depth beyond your years. Love you, son." Raised in Utah, until the family moved to Las Vegas in 2008, he's seen a bit of the country. Gabriel was born in 2001. So he was just 9 years old when the first season of TLC Sister Wives was announced in 2010. That's how most people remember him, so it's a bit startling to see him all grown up. Naturally, many of Janelle followers took to Instagram to congratulate Gabriel Brown on being 17. People noticed he looked so much like his dad that some of them thought the photo showed Cody when he was young. Among them was at FunJettingFit79 who posted, "Wow, does he ever look like his dad in this picture? Happy birthday, young man." Others also noted that it could even be the old Cody photo that they show on the show. Except that one from his marriage to Mary. Other fans think Gabriel a perfect mix of Janelle Brown and Cody Brown. Despite so many fans thinking that Gabriel Brown grew up to look just like his dad, others noticed Janelle Brown in him as well. At Taintmar at Janelle Brown 117 noted, "Isn't he just a perfect mix of you and Cody? You can clearly make out both of you in his features. Smart-looking young man. Other fans noted that their own children shared Gabriel's birthday. They felt a special bond with Janelle on this birthday. Meanwhile, others noticed that the family raises nice, clean-cut looking boys. Of course, there were lots of comments about people recalling him being a little tyke in what feels like yesterday. That made some fans feel so old. Many congratulations came from the USA, but there were greetings from places as far away as Austria and Africa. The Sister Wives show garners fans from all over the world. As usual, many of them asked when the show coming back. Some fans of the reality TV show worry it won't be renewed. Janelle didn't answer, but possibly she doesn't even know the exact dates yet. Obviously, some fans have concerns the show may not renew. The speculation arises over persistently changing tabloid press reports. However, people noted 3 months ago that the next season will come early in 2019. They reaffirmed the show return again in an August report. With the recent move to Flagstaff, there are a lot of new stories for TLC to cover in the growing family of Kody Brown. What do you think of the photo Janelle Brown posted up? Do you think Gabriel Brown looks just like his dad Kody, at the age of 17? Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.